Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will explain Zenbook not turning on and a step-by-step walkthrough for easy fix. Number 1. Perform a hard reset. Disconnect the power adapter. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Release the button, reconnect the adapter and press the power button to turn on the laptop. Number 2. Check the battery. Remove the battery if removable and connect the power adapter directly. If the laptop turns on, the battery may need replacement. Number 3. Inspect the power supply. Ensure the power adapter and cord are securely connected and undamaged. Test the adapter with another compatible device or use a different adapter with your laptop. Thanks for watching.